Right now, someone is panicking.
Someone is selling.
And someone is quietly preparing to get rich. In the next few minutes, I'm going to share 6 rules. Rules that don't just change how you invest. They change how you think during fear. If you understand these rules, market crashes will never scare you the same way again. This is not about day trading. This is not about guessing bottoms. This is about how long-term wealth is actually built. Rule number 1, don't panic sell. The first mistake most investors make during a crash, they sell. Buffett once said, "The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient." When you sell during fear, you lock in losses. When you stay calm, you give your money time to recover. Every major crash in history eventually recovered. But panic sellers never did. Rule 2. Keep cash ready. Buffett doesn't panic because he always has cash. Cash is not trash during crashes. It's power. When prices fall, cash gives you choices. Without cash, all you can do is watch. That's why smart investors don't stay 100% invested at all times. Rule 3. Buy quality, not hype. During crashes, bad companies get destroyed. Great companies go on sale. Buffett doesn't buy random stocks. He buys businesses with strong cash flow, strong brands, and long-term demand. A market crash doesn't change the value of a great business. It just changes the price. Rule 4. Dollar cost average into fear. Buffett never tries to perfectly time the bottom. Instead, he buys slowly. Week by week, month by month. This removes emotion from investing. You don't need to be right. You just need to be consistent. Crashes reward discipline, not predictions. Rule number 5. Think in years, not months. The stock market is chaotic in the short term, but incredibly predictable in the long term. Buffett's favorite holding period? Forever. If you're checking prices every day during a crash, you're playing the wrong game. Wealth is built by people who can wait. Rule number 6. See crashes as opportunity. Most people see crashes as danger. Buffett sees them as discounts. Every crash creates new millionaires. Not because they were lucky, but because they stayed rational when others didn't. Market crashes don't destroy wealth. Emotions do. If you remember these 6 rules, the next crash might be the best thing that ever happens to your portfolio. Follow for smart investing, not hype.